A very good afternoon to everyone, and once again, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to teach how to use Fusion 360 to design your custom drone frame. So for that, I already opened this Fusion 360, software, and all you have to do is you just have to click it and enter it. So, okay, it's taking a little bit time to load. Okay, so that's the, you know, this is the the drone frame which I recently designed for my competition. But today I'm going to make a whole new design from the scratch, and I'm going to teach each and every single thing which is required, so that you can use those concepts to make your own designs. Yeah. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For that, you have to make a separate, plane, and you could choose the, you know, plane in which you want to design it, the frame here. Um, I will choose the top plane, and you have to select this icon. So yeah, so we're good to go. But first and first, I'm going to draw two lines. Uh, Actually, these lines will be construction lines. So like the main reason which I draw this line is because you can just do mirroring. I mean, like let's say you want to design you know, uh, what do you call a plate, y- plate to hold the arm adjustment and all. So in the time, if you want to design a quadcopter or hexacopter or any octocopter, um, plates plates is the central body parts of the entire frame, um, and it will be the backbone of the frame. It will hold all the stuff, and also for that, all you have to do is if you use mirroring method, you don't have to draw uh, for each and every single things. I mean, you just have to draw in this plane, and you have to mirror it in this plane. Then this side you can just mirror it. Okay, so it's very handy, and it will make the things little bit easier. And it's also reduced the time which we take to construct any design. So now let's say I want to design a quadcopter. Okay, I won't go with hexacopter because it will be a big for me right now. So uh yeah, I'm thinking to do like this. I'm thinking to take a let's take this. Let's take a line here, not the rectangle. So Mm. Let's take this line. No, it's yeah, it's done. And for adjusting the length, you can use the D. And if you click D, if you have this length, so you can change its length here. Here, I'm going to change like um you know 54 millimeters means around 5 centimeters. It's very short, so I'm going to with 20. No, I mean 20. So 20 centimeters, that is 200. I mean, it's a big, hope so, but maybe let's do 150 because 200 is very big, I think. So, and you can check the distance between this line and this line. Let's create 10 centimeters. So, it will be big, Then all you have to do is, okay. So you have to mirror this, okay? Click here, click this icon mirror, and select the mirror line, and done. Hmm, as simple as it is. Then after that, I will select arc, 3-point arc on this, then maybe this, and this. No, it's not good. Let's try another one. Let's try three things, but yeah, all 2 points. Select here, select here. Yeah, it's good. So, okay, we can take this mirror, you got it, right? And you can take this entire structure mirror to this side by clicking, you have to just click. So, one more thing, once you click this, you have to continuously press on the shift button to select all these things because I'll show you what I'm trying to say. So let's you click this, okay? But if you try to click this without clicking the um, shift button, it will just disappear. So for that, you have to click the shift button, then this, this. You can select multiple lines which we want to mirror. So here I select it and select this line. Oh, it's pretty nice. Um, yeah, right now it's the thing, and for this, you can increase its length a little bit. Uh, yeah, so it makes a bit okay. Yeah, it's now it's nice. And after that, that design, uh, what can I say? Can design something which we can use to put the arms. So for that, I'm going to do this. Okay, 3 centimeter. No, it will be. Let's say not 60. Let's try with 40 millimeters. So it will be like 4 centimeters. And it's a decent, you know. So let's do it. And one, you know, it's 40. Let's go with 40 again. And yeah, it's 40 now. And we can also change the distance within this line, in this line, by clicking the D button. D, E's, I mean, not button. So let's change it by 20. Because I'm thinking to use 20 by 20 uh, square square tube, carbon fiber tube. So let's go with 20, and yeah, it's good. So now you don't have to draw anything. One more thing, you have to connect this. I almost forgot about it. So done. So all you have to do is you have to select this, select this, again select this. Then mirror it, select the mirror line, select this side. As you can see, it's done, right? You can click there, and okay. Then you can do one thing. You can get select this, and this also. Uh, can select this mirror. Mm, click there. Stuff. You can see, Uh, now it's time for putting screw holes. And for that, you don't have to do nothing. You just make a line again. Uh, remember this will be construction lines, okay? So, like for construction lines, you have to click on, no, you have to press on X, so it will become, and if you press on X again, it will become the manual line. Mm. We want to give it this 10. Just want to put in the center. Then with for putting screw hole, you have to click the circle. Here I'm going to use an M4. Yeah, M4 is pretty good. And yeah, I'm going to use the M4 here. Why did it say M5? Let's try with M5. And you can also do one thing. So with before doing this, if you go to this modify and if you go to change parameters, so here you have to edit parameters. So let's say M5 and its expression will be 5 millimeters. So here we add the M5, okay? And instead of 5, you have to use M5. So the thing is that now it's M5, but let's say you want to change its size in future. But if you didn't use these parameters, you have to design the things again from beginning. But if you use these parameters, you can just go to this parameter list and you can edit here. It will become, let's say, 6. So now it becomes 6. Mhm. So it's one of the advantage. But for now, let's give it a little bit real, because 6 millimeters will be getting. So I want to go with 5. Mm. Yeah, it's 5. Then another screw hole, which again M5, and I want to keep. Remember, you have to use this, D key. You have to press this D to change the distance between any objects, might be its lines or circles, anything. So here I want to give it around 25 millimeters. So for this, there's a small mistake. Uh, can click like yeah, it's good. And one more circles here. It M5. Then again D, change it to 25. So, but uh, our central part is pretty big, so um, I think we have to use more scrolls. So let's change it to 35. And this was the 35. So all you have to know all these things. You have to check the article. You have to know how to check all these things. So uh, I think I need one more. So F2 and 5. But I think the line's not line. Look, we can take this here. Yeah, it's good. So pick D again. Nirvana. This. It's good. Okay, it's good. So just verify. Oh, now I think it's good to go. But comparing to the frame, I think it's not good a little bit. I mean, the size is not matching. So let's increase the size of the screw to 6 millimeters. And let's say it's not M5, M6. So to go, baby. It becomes 6. So look how handy it is. If you want to change it, you have to continuously click, click, click. You have to, continuously click it to all of these four circles and change it. But if you use the parameters features, it will change instantly. Yeah. So, and I also want to, see the distance within this and this. Okay. Nice. Not bad. In order to design the arms needed. Then now all you have to do is you don't have to do nothing. Um, delete this and yeah, everything's done. You select these four circles and you have to mirror it with this line. Now here it became rest of the circles, right? Yeah. And then you have to select these uh, eight circles and give me a minute. Okay, here, here, here. Make sure that you press the shift button, okay? Otherwise all your hard copy will go on. You have to start from beginning. So you can see all these things are copy. Now we can just mirror it. Um, very good, I think. Now the final things. Let's put some gap here. Like we might need this uh, for bringing up the wires and all. So for this you can choose anything, okay? Just the what about simple designs. Okay, one more here also. For sure that let's put this inside. It's very annoying. Yeah, we're good to go. So 2D is completed. So after that, you have to, click in this finish sketch and delete these construction lines. So it's done, and now we have to extrude it. So for extrude, you just simply, you don't have to do anything. You have to click this part because we are not going to extrude this, okay? Extrude basically means we are going to give them the thickness to make them the 3D what do you call model. Then this also, and this also. Oh, this was good. It's very fun. You can see you can extrude here. You have to click here to extrude, but let's keep it real and we have to make it only 2 mm. That's the what you call designated I mean the standard. Not standard but uh things uh things work pretty good with 2 mm. You can also go with 3 or 4 mm, but uh for this I'm using 2 mm. And if you want to add any appearance like the nature of the materials, you can simply click A, means appearance. So here I want to put the carbon fiber, so you can see bunch of carbon fiber, and I'm going to use this plane. So now you can see it's all carbon fiber, and you can also see the reflections and all in this thing, so it's nice. And good, it's pretty nice. So okay, perfect. Then now we have to design the arms. So let's save this uh this file. Let's say new part. Wait, okay, it's already saved. So now we're going to design the arms. For that again, similar, Um, you have to use the plane first. Okay. So I already told you that I want to use the 20 by 20. So I'm going to use this here. You just have to change it 20, then click tab, and then again change to 20. Oh no, look, yeah, I got it. No, 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 but for now, let's do it something else. Uh, we can change the size. I mean the height of the uh this height of the road when we extrude it. But right now, let's take this. Let's take this as the length. So let's do it. I want to go with some 200 means 20. Maybe 250. Let's go with 250. Yeah. Then we have to extrude it. Okay. But before that, I'm thinking to put screws all once again. We have to draw construction line. Then D, click, click, click. You have to provide 10 because if you put 10, line will be in center and we can easily make the holes. And click X again. It become construction line. Uh, and you have to, you have to create a safety margin here so that when we put screws, it doesn't collapse. So for now, let's say 6 mm. You can also do the same thing like, the perimeter stuff here. Change the parameters, add a parameter, and then it's M6 and 6 mm. So let's click the circle part and select it to M6. Done. Because you have to do double click. I forgot about it. Then the second holes, you when you design the components separately, or you have to remember one thing. The thing is that you have to remember the exact distance, otherwise it won't fit. So it should be 35. Yeah, here there's a little bit problem here. I want the circle little bit inwards, so all this is someone like this. And with this much is good. Then let's go with another circle. M6 again. No, not M4, M6. To go D, then 35. So, so 35 and one, we need one more horse. And D, click, click, then 35. So it's almost done. And well, I think it's good. So let's delete this construction line and just click finished. Put this, click this and extrude it. So here we're going to, put 20 because it should be the length, not length. It should be height of the what do you call entire uh cube. So I'm saying 20 millimeters. Good. Then you rotate it and are going to make it hollow. So for that you are going to select this plane, not in conventional planes. You just have to select the surface, click there. You can draw, a good uh this one. This will be the inner thickness. So again finished and click here and extrude. So if you extrude upwards, then it will increase the length, and if you extrude downwards in negative, it will cut the part. So I'm cutting it, it's making hollow. So uh so far so good, isn't it? And once again appearance. I love count fiber materials so much. So I'm going to use again count fiber. Uh, it's not coming in. Yeah, it's done. I think arms is a little bit short as compared to the frame. Let's see what happens. If it's too much short, we can just increase this length and all. So uh, similarly, you can just what do you call save this as a file. Let's say quad file, no quad arms, and okay, and now it's almost done. Oh, I make a mistake. I have I should have created a different folder because entire things is inside this folder, which is not good. But it's okay, no problem. So actually, this will be the assembly part. Okay, we're going to take all the parts which we created. Let's say this one here, and we are going to assemble here. We design the things outside and assemble the things inside. Okay, so uh, and this we're going to take this. Okay, I think it's very small, isn't it? Yeah. So for that, it's not matching. Shit. Uh, if you go with this, so for the joining, you have to for joining any components, you have to find any assemble holes or joins. Here I'm choosing to join through the holes. For it, you simply have to click on the surface and click on this sign, then bottom, and put the things in top plane. Then click here to right, uh, here, and that's it. Though the length of the arm is not sufficient, but I won't change it because if I change it again, the video will be too long and like I can't do much work. So you can simply change the length of these arms according to its requirement. So for this, and once again, if you if you already assemble one component, you don't have to take that components again, to this workspace. So all you have to do is you have to mirror this entire component. Let's say I want to mirror these arms, and for that, the previous mirroring method was on lines and some 2D structure, but here it's a 3D, 3D model. So you have to mirror through plane, not lines. So for that, you have to select this quad arms file, then click on this mirror, select mirror plane. Then if you choose this, look, it's just mirroring, right? Perfectly. Then you have to choose this again, press the shift button, uh, and do it again. Same thing as usual. It's pretty nice. Yeah, done. Then give it to off so that you can check everything goes to plan or not. Then you can take this date again so that you can put in the upward. Um, so for this, you can do one thing. You can rotate it. It's your choice. I prefer to rotate it. Let's rotate it and select this. Select the join option and click in this. Click surface. Click here and you know you have to click here to join through this part. So yeah, but we have to put these things in different orientation. So you have to. I think I have done a mistake. Okay, let's back to the work. It's not working. Let's try it again. Bring it up and we can find the method, change things. We don't have to rotate. Then click it there, select the joints, click it there, click it there, and click it there. Yeah, it's good to go, baby. I think it's good, isn't it? For safety, let's check it first. Okay, good. Now just click OK. Okay, and it's done. You can see it's done, and like it's not little bit realistic because the size of the arms it's not that much good. So yeah, but I think it's not bad. And you can for the screws and all. And one more thing, you have to put screws in these holes, okay? So but you don't have to design the screws. For put inserting screws, you have a special tool here. Insert Make Master Card Components. You just have to click here. You will get everything, starting from screws, nuts, bolts, to stripping wires, and also I'm selecting screws. I want to put something like rounded head screw, so I'm selecting it. And here you have to choose the your M size, and we use M6, right? So M6, and you have to select the length. So the length will be like to 4 millimeters for you know bo board plates. I mean the top plates and bottom plates, and the height of the um what do you call height of the arms is 20 millimeters. So it's 24 millimeters. Then you put some extra length for the nuts. So let's say we will take around uh 30 because 25 will be too least. Let's take with 30. With 30 we have two options. Let's just take this. And you have to change this format. It's 3D SolidWorks, but we are working on Fusion 360, so you have to change it to stay 3D stay. Then download it. Oh, it will take some time, I think. Sometimes it creates problem. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. It's not working though. I don't know what's the problem. Or we can check this one, the second one. So we can check whether it's working or not. Ah, it's working. So like, where's the it's there. So the screw is there, right? And for that, all you have to do is you have to again select the this one joints. Then click in the surface. Okay, you have to click in the surface. You have to zoom and clean the surface. Click, and here you'll find a plus sign. You look plus sign. You have to click here. Then things will very easy. You just click this surface, okay, surrounding surface, and click it. You will go down. It's as simple as it is. Here you can see some extra length in which we can put screws. Once again, let's do something. Going to put, actually the most what I call frustrating part of designing something is about the screws, man. We have to what I call we have to do the things again and again if we are designing a huge model. So it's not that much goes. Uh, give me a second. Down again. So once again, I'm using joints. Click here, then click here, click here. And if flip, okay, you can use this flip button. Just flip. If the screw just come like this, you can click this flip button, so it will be in right position. Two more, right? So same as usual. And M6, then 30, second one, download it. Okay, so that is rotated with its own things. Good. One last stuff once again. Do it as usual. Click here, select 6, then 30 millimeters, and click here. Download. It'll download it automatically. Loaded it. Then again assembly, join, click the surface, click here, and click here. Okay, boom, it's good to go. Now you can we can put screws here, Uh, okay, let's take it to the top, and so that we can see everything. For this, you have to, mirror these four screws, uh, mirror, select, and rotate the plane. You have to select this plane, right? Look, these things comes here. If you click OK, so I mean, you just have to, mirror the things. You only have to one. You only have to work on one side, and you have to mirror it. And let's mirror it again. Next time here, because this entire four screws is in the upper plane, so you have to select here. Uh, After that, it will just come to this 8 holes. Look, as simple as it is, bro. Okay, uh, it's all about thing, and we also have to put screws, right? And screws, let's see, screw also same thing. We will just have to put here nuts. Nuts, I mean, you have to put nuts, so X nuts. I prefer X nuts, and you have to select the aim size. It's M6, and yeah, you might actually length. So here, calculating the height of the screw. So we have around 5, no 6, what do you call 6 millimeters. But we can choose this one because the safety margin we have to keep some distance. So yeah, let's do it. We have to select the this one and 3D state and download it. So it will come to your screen. Yeah, right here. And all you have to do is you have to click the things once again, like join, So click here, and click again. Uh, Rotate this, and you can this. Then you have to put it. So it's nice, isn't it? This would just fixed uh, without any problem. So and one more. We have to do three more. So let's do it again. Extrude. Actually, you can choose any type of nuts. If according to your preference, I choose X nut, you can choose anything, any material. So let's do it. Also, we drawings. Click here, then you go down there, then click here. You select these things again. It's taking a little time, but everything. And you click. Click here. Click here. So I'm not going to do for this because it's consuming too much time, and I just want to uh, mirror it here. Because you already know that how to do it, so you can do it by your own. And again, this, 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 and this. No, I think something's wrong. So last, okay, no, this tree, right? So we need this tree. Mm, mirror again. Mm. Okay, you can see. Yes, cursor, yes, cursor. I'm not putting this because you already know how to put it, right? So I don't want to spend extra time for that also. Okay, so it's almost done. Then if you want to put any like motors or something, there I already download the motors, Motors, I'm not designing it. You can take motors from uh, a website called GrabCAD. You can directly download all the ready-made um, what do you call all the ready-made CAD model there. So I'm simply downloading from there. So for this, I'm going to use an anti-vibration uh, holding mount for the fly my fix off, and yeah. So here it is. Here. So and down. You can simply just mount it here, you know. Actually, the size of the drone is a little big. I should have made it very small. You can just keep like this. Yeah, it's fine. Then you can, there's a reflection, I don't know why from the, you can put the fix of here. Where's the fix of? Yeah, fix of is here. Okay, fix of is there. We will have to little bit rotate it. Check the things. So give the download, do some more, something like that. Okay, change the front. So it's working completely fine. Uh, that's it. Then you can mount this GPS stuff and all. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I have a GPS. So okay, and you can just change position, you know. Prefer to put it here. Yes, more like this. Fine. But little forward, it put GPS here. But I'm thinking to put these two batteries here, you know. So it is the battery. Here's the battery. And both view. Okay, 4. So and just simply drag it down. Okay. Doing good, right? Yeah. Um, okay. Actually, the membrane is a big one. Uh, okay, it's not a problem. So like this, you can put, different things, and that's the, I think that's that's the method from which we can line any object into the uh mainframe. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and this is my first video, so I'm also a little bit nervous. Next time, uh, I'm going to put, you know, a best quality videos in the coming time. So stay tuned for it. And I'm also uh thinking to make the video continuously. So let's see. But the problem is that I'm a full-time engineering student, so it's pretty hard for me to take up time to make videos. But today it's Sunday, so I just thought that let's make a video back there. Okay, have a nice day.